I'm no expert on the problem of makeup. Since the proper use of cosmetics is an art in itself, we'll shift the scene to Hollywood and let an authority on beautifying feminine faces show you how to make the most of your face.
Never use makeup as a mask. Makeup goes on smoother, looks more natural with a foundation cream or liquid. It provides a lasting makeup and protects your skin against wind and sun. The wrong use of rouge can make a woman look hard or clownish. Cream rouge is applied directly over the foundation. Dry rouge is used only after powdering. To be effective, rouge and powder should not be detectable. Never use too much rouge. Cream rouge should be applied with the fingers and blended until no line of demarcation is noticeable. Never use an elongated field of rouge on the oblong face. Always use a circle. Never use a circle on the round or square face. Use an elongated field to create the illusion of length. When in doubt for placement of rouge, smile and place it on the highest point of the cheek. One should always choose a powder that gives warmth and brightness to the skin. In powdering, start at a receding point, such as under the eyes, hollow cheeks, or receding chin. Never powder a large nose first. It will become a highlight. Follow the natural line of the lips. And don't use exotic lip shades. They're not chic, and they're certainly not GI. Bite gently on a piece of tissue to set the lips and remove excess lipstick. Lipstick smears on handkerchiefs and lipstick rims on cups are not appealing. Don't tamper with the natural line of your eyebrows. Your eyebrows, as nature made them, give expression and character to your face and are functional. They protect your eyes from strong light and dust. These are actually the only articles necessary for good nail grooming, especially when you're in the Army, when you wear a uniform, and so is exotic nail polish. If you use polish, see that it's conservative.
She's learned a lot. See how smoothly and skillfully her makeup is blended. She can be proud of that job. Although to most of you it may seem too obvious to mention, daily bathing is the first must in the rule book for feminine attractiveness. The soap you use should be bland, particularly if your skin has a tendency to be dry. Deodorants and perfumes don't kill perspiration or other body odors. They only make them more offensive. Since many women are allergic to depilatories, shaving is still the most effective way to remove superfluous hair. If you use a facial cream or oil at night, be sure to remove the excess grease before going to bed. For that rosy bloom, a dash of cold water is the best astringent. And for chapped lips, use lip pomade or cream.
What causes tooth decay?
Oh, a number of things, such as poor diet, not enough vitamins and minerals, too many sweets. If you eat before going to bed and forget to brush your teeth afterwards, particles of food lodge in the crevices and start to ferment. This encourages bacteria, and bacteria increase the tendency to tooth decay. That's why it's so important to brush your teeth regularly, and even more important to brush them correctly, from the gums downward or upward. Not from side to side, but up and down. Yes, that's right. Brush from the gum downward or upward.
Scalp lifting is in order to stimulate sluggish circulation. But for oily hair, do it in combination with an astringent. If you'll pardon the suggestion, a good brushing might be in order. Gently, gently. I didn't say scalping. And if you're looking for a change of hairstyling to suit your facial conformation and GI regulations, there's the pageboy, the roll, the bun, the upsweep, the straight shingle, the curly shingle. If you wear your hair short, it should be cut and shaped often. Snip away the hangovers from the last permanent. Foundation garments have their place. But the best foundation garment in the world is right inside your own body, your muscles. Any foundation garment wears out with use. But your muscles do just the opposite. They gain snap and elasticity the more they are used. Consistent daily planned exercise can be all things to all people.
That's all.